Hello everyone, I am Gülay. I'm a molecular biology and genetics student. This summer I was a member of Dastarma YSP group. I had two wonderful mentor, Priya Dastarma and Professor Shraditya Dastarma. My head is investigation of evolution of UV repair system by using bioinformatic tools. Why I choose this topic? Because I wondered about effect of UV radiation to the DNA. Also, how does DNA repair this damage? As you know, in living organism, exposure of UV can cause DNA damage in cell. You can see here between these two timing bases, there is an extra link. These extra links can give a damage to the DNA. DNA has mainly two different repair mechanisms to repair this damage. I was more interested with this group, removal of the damaged bases followed by their replacement with newly synthesized DNA. My aim to investigate the evolutionary relation of some genes that are related with DNA repair mechanism by using some kind of bioinformatic tools. And I used Hierarchia to see this evolutionary story. Why did I use Hierarchia? Because Hierarchia had some very nice features. They are very fascinating organism to search astrobiology. Also, evolutionarily ancient. They have high tolerance UV radiation, sub-zero temperatures, toxic ions, high salinity. Also, they had several kinds of repair mechanism for UV damage. I used a lot of online tools. Thanks my mentors to teach these tools to me. First, I used BLAS to find similarity between at least two different sequences. Then I used wedge entries to obtain large number of protein sequences. Then I used cluster to create my multiple sequence alignments. After that, I used ngFlugen and FR to create my phylogenetic tree. Also, I supported my trees with bootstrap values to understand my results' significance. My results are still in progress because I used a lot of different databases. So these are my references. And I want to thank you for this perfect summer to all BMSIS participant teams, speakers, but especially Professor Shraditya Dastarma and Priya Dastarma, because I have learned a lot of things from them in this summer.